New at 6, the highest court in the state upheld 3 separate restrictive abortion laws. The Idaho State Supreme Court released its opinion today on Planned Parenthood versus the state of Idaho. This, of course, over those restrictive abortion laws that became law just in the last year. Planned Parenthood and an Idaho doctor challenged Idaho's abortion laws. These laws ban all abortion except for the cases of rape, incest, or to save the mother's life. They also allow family members of an aborted fetus to sue the doctor for up to $20,000. News Channel 7's Andrew Bartline has read through the court's opinion. So, Andrew, how did they arrive at this decision?
Well, it came in a 3-2 split. 3 justices concluded these laws are rational, legal, and serve a legitimate state interest. 2 justices disagreed, and we'll start with the majority opinion that upholds these laws. Justice Brody, Justice Bevan, and Justice Moeller all hold there is no fundamental right to abortion in the Idaho Constitution, whether that be explicit or implicit. The Inalienable Rights Clause, guaranteeing the right to life, liberty, and pursuit of happiness, was not ratified into the state constitution until 1889. At this point in history, the majority opinion says the right to abortion was not deeply rooted in the state history or traditions. Therefore, it is not clear to assume the framers had any intention to protect that right. The majority opinion adds, quote, "If the people of Idaho are dissatisfied with these new laws, they can elect new legislators." Both Justice Zahn and Justice Stegner dissented. Justice Zahn argues that women have the fundamental right to abortion, where both her and Justice Stegner agree these 3 laws are at odds with the Constitution. They argue, quote, "They are not narrowly tailored to achieve a compelling state interest." These 3 laws have already been in place because the court removed stays while sorting through this legal process. And with this decision, abortion remains largely illegal in the state of Idaho, with exceptions of rape, incest, or to save the mother's life. Planned Parenthood issued a response shortly after the announcement, quote, "Planned Parenthood will never back down. We will keep fighting with everything we've got to restore Idahoans' right to control our bodies and our lives. No matter what happens, Planned Parenthood is here for you. Our doors are open in Idaho, and our teams are ready to help you get the care you need, even if that means traveling out of state." It's important to note, Doug, that to save the mother's life exception, that does not count any situation that would involve the potential of self-harm, and that to save the mother's life is also at the discretion of the doctor medically. And through our reporting, we've had doctors tell us that there's gray area there, and that does concern them.
And abortion and these laws are really expected to be an issue once again in the legislature that starts next week. Andrew, thank you.